I'm so sick of these gang stalkers. They don't care if it's raining. I just all of a sudden see, looks like a car or a vehicle snuck and parked. Hold up. That was the cowardly bastard right there. See, it's starting to rain. The rain is starting to increase. Look what they're trying to do. Park way down there. First they park right here. You see it's raining. Look at the ground. And that looked like a luxury car, a nice car too. The moment I walked away to try to put them on film, that's when they go way down here. So I guess they must be sent here to quote unquote monitor me for the night. And look, that's a funny headlight vehicle. I missed that one. So, and this is what people want. This is what they prefer. For me to be on the streets and threatened and harassed and deprived of sleep. It's raining. But I have to hear lectures about, oh, they pulled off now, the cowards. Now they're gone. Yeah, but the car would have still been parked right here if I hadn't gotten up and started filming. That's how you know they're a gang stalker. They're perping me very heavily. And tomorrow is 9/11. 19-year anniversary of 9/11. So it looks like from the day before, yesterday, they started perping me worse and heavier. And so, I don't know if I'm assuming because it's 9/11 tomorrow, they're going to do something worse. They're going to be very bad and be very heavy. So trying to not run up my battery for the night, but I have enough proof and evidence, and y'all still doubt. I have too much proof and evidence, and y'all still doubt me as whether or not I'm real. Y'all keep saying like, ignore them, and then you turn around and say, keep doing your videos. Well, what the fuck you want me to do? Like, how can I keep doing my videos if you keep saying ignore? You cannot ignore all this abuse and stuff. As I said, I'm going to block you if you keep trying to talk about ignore and you try to minimize it like it's just no big deal. I don't, and then you try to use the Bible to freaking justify, or, now all this, they had no traffic, and now this all of a sudden big traffic. Where are these cars coming from? Color harassment, 3 white vehicles just now. Y'all saw that. They mainly attacked me with white, but guess what? Certain cars, they've been attacking me with teal and orange vehicles, whether it be teal or turquoise and orange. Not in color, not like what you just saw, the clusters of vehicles, but they've been doing isolated acts of perping with orange or teal. So something else I was gonna say, but it slipped my mind. But I need to get off here. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.